Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share a video on direct messages on Triller. So let's start. First, open the Triller app. When the app is open, search for the video you want to share via direct messages. I'll just select one from the newsfeed. I'll share this video on direct messages. Now to share the video, all you have to do is tap on the share icon on the bottom right hand side. And then tap on direct message. Now select the participants you want to send to. You can select multiple participants if you want. When you are done, tap send on bottom right corner. And the video will be successfully shared. Now tap on the icon on top right corner. Then tap on the DM icon on top right corner. And here you can see that the video has been shared with these participants. And that's how you can share a video on direct messages on Triller. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.